So domains can mean a lot of things. They usually contain large amounts of data, and in order to protect these kind of data, you'd need a cybersecurity sort of mechanism. So they have data that are in different forms, such as audio, video, locations, backgrounds, anything. It's like a lot of precious information, and you wouldn't want that to be exploited by people who use this for illegal reasons. So it's basically an area of control protection in which you need cybersecurity experts to protect that. So some examples of companies that use large amounts of data are Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Amazon, and Netflix. Especially Google, it's arguably one of the largest um, collection infrastructure, and they also develop Android. It has a multitude of services such as a searching engine. You can have Google Drive, like a cloud computing sort of thing, and then for Facebook, you can communicate with a lot of people, and it has it contains a lot of personal information, and you want to protect that too. And then LinkedIn is more on a business minded type of purpose, and for Amazon, they also have data relating to products, names, addresses, and they also use information based on what you would buy, and they would use this information to uh, access more of what you would want to buy next and recommend you that stuff. And for Netflix, they also collect and analyze data based on what the viewers are watching, and they could determine which ones are better and which ones they should eliminate.
Cybersecurity domains growth. Cyber domains continue to grow as science and technology evolve. Cyber experts now have the technology to track worldwide weather trends. They also can monitor oceans as well as the movement and behavior of people, animals, and objects in real time. New technologies such as Petitional Information Systems, or GIS, and the Internet of Things, IoT, have emerged. These new technologies can track the health of trees in a neighborhood, as an example, and they can provide up to date locations of vehicles, devices, individuals, and materials. Each of these technologies will also result in exponential expanding the amount of data collected, analyzed, and used to understand the world. The type of information, this type of information can save energy, improve efficiencies, and reduce safety risks. Growth Part 2. Data collected by the GIS and the IOE poses as a tremendous challenge for security professionals in the future. The type of data generated by these devices has the potential to enable cyber criminals. With cyber criminals, they use this to gain very intimate aspects of your day-to-day life.
Who are cyber criminals? They're hackers and they're like groups who attempt to exploit vulnerabilities for personal or financial gain. These cyber criminals are interested in anything or everything from credit cards to product designs and anything with value. They also have the intent to break into computers or networks to gain access for various reasons. Hat hackers. Um, White hat hackers break into networks or computer systems to discover weaknesses in order to improve the security of these systems. Black hat hackers take advantage of any vulnerability for illegal, personal, financial, or political gain. Gray hat hackers may find a vulnerability and report it to the owners of the system. They would publish the facts about the vulnerability on the internet so that other attackers can exploit it.
Cybercriminal motives. The motives of cybercriminals have changed over the years. Hacking started in the 60s with phone phreaking, which is using various audio frequencies to manipulate phone systems. In the mid 80s, criminals used computer dial-up modems to connect computers to networks and used password cracking programs to gain access to data. Today, criminals now can use malware and viruses as high-tech weapons, and now the greatest motivation for cybercriminals is financial. Um, Modern hacking terms, script kiddies, term made in the 90s to refer to teams or inexperienced hackers running existing script tools.